Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are taking a look at number 12, Thornden Wood Road. Now, we start in the garden with this property, just so that you can get a sense of how big the garden space is, because the property is just as large. It is a truly overwhelming executive family home, and the finish here is absolutely wonderful. And as we go room to room, I'll give you a few ideas on how each space can be used, and I'll leave it up to you to decide whether or not the property itself is right for you. But again, look at that rear garden. It is a whacking great size, and it's nice that you've got that nice, easy to maintain space in the garden there, and you've also got this really nice patio area just off of the bifolding doors from the lounge and the study space there. But we'll go through to the front and take a look at everything else here in a few moments. So now that we're on the front driveway, again, you've got plenty of parking here. You've got a proper double garage here as well, and we'll go through and take a look at that a little bit later on in the tour. But the property itself, I mean, it is just brilliant. Now, this property is the last of 5. This is a really unique and close-knit development here, and this is the last one that we have remaining. They're all brand spanking new, and we'll go through and take a look now. So here we are in the main entrance hall, and you can already get a sense of how light and bright and airy this property really is. Usually the problem with larger properties is that you just can't get the sunlight through, but this property combats that so easily by there being an abundance of windows, and it's been done really, really tastefully. Now, this room here is currently down as the dining room, but it could easily be a second reception room if you wanted it. It's nice to have either maybe a cinema room with a property like this. There's certainly the option. So as we come through to this side, you'll see there on the right hand side you've got that nice big cupboard, and here we have the study. And it's nice that you've got those French doors onto the rear garden from the study, so that when you've got a few moments away from your laptop, you've finished doing work for a while, you can go outside and enjoy a bit of sunshine. And of course, you've got those nice windows at the front there, letting plenty of light in from the front, but it's very, very private here. As you are at the end of this really nice and unique development here, you're very, very, very private at the end. So we'll come through now and take a look at the lounge, and already you can see those lovely bifolding doors spanning the width of that wall there. It's a lovely space, and the chimney there is ready to go. So all you need to do is get a firm in to put a log burner in there or whatever you'd like, but it's ready to go. And like I say, you can get those bifolding doors open, and you'll see there's no radiators on the walls. It's completely underfloor heating on the entirety of the ground floor of this property, so there's no wasted space on the walls. It's been thought of really, really nicely. It's a wonderful, wonderful space. Okay, so now we're in the kitchen, and there's quite a bit to go through here. Of course, first thing you notice is those lovely French doors which lead out to the side patio there and onto the back garden. Now, with this kitchen, it's a really lovely private space. You're at the back, so nobody's overlooking you, and it's a really, really wonderful area that the family can come and congregate together at the afternoon and into the evening. And with this kitchen, you've got everything fully integrated. Of course, you've got those lovely worktops, and you've got the induction hob there. Now, you've got the fan-assisted oven, you've got the microwave grill, you've got the double freezer and double fridge, and you've also got the dishwasher as well. Now, you've got a utility room here again, which is brilliant. You've got the space there for a washing machine and for the tumble dryer, so there's plenty of space in here, and you can keep it away from the rest of the property. Now, through this door here, which we'll go through in just a moment, we're going to go and have a look at the double garage. Now, it is a whacking great space. You've got that electric roller door there at the front, which is nice and easy, and you've got a window at the back, which doesn't sound like much, but having a window in your garage is actually quite a nice thing. Of course, if you're working away in here, you won't be in the dark entirely during the day. It's a really, really nice space. So we'll go back through back through the kitchen so you can have a good look at that again. You can see how lovely and bright that is, and we'll go through and take a look upstairs in a few moments now. So here we are upstairs, and you can already see how big it is up here. And we're actually going to start the tour upstairs in the master bedroom. And you've of course got those lovely corner windows there, letting all that light in. You've got some lovely views there over the surrounding countryside and over the rear garden. And again, you can really see how long that back garden is from up here. It is a really big space. I mean, the room itself is a double, easily a double. And you've got the dressing room here as well, which we're going to go through and take a look at in a moment. Of course, in here, plenty of storage. If you wanted to put some fitted wardrobes in here, you're more than welcome to. There's plenty of space for it. And just through there, you've got the ensuite, which is finished to that really nice high contemporary modern standard. You've got that lovely big shower unit there, and there's plenty of storage here. You've got those little drawers under the sink, but it's a lovely finish. And again, you've got plenty of windows in here, letting that sunlight just stream through. We'll take a look at the family bathroom now, and of course you can see you've got that lovely big bath unit, and you've got the corner shower there as well. And the shower controls are very nice. They're the digitally adapted controls there, so it's nice and easy for you all to use. So we'll go through and take a look at bedroom number 3, which is a very nice size. You've got 5 double bedrooms with this property, easily double bedrooms. So this one here is a lovely size, and you can see through those windows those nice extended views over the countryside. It's a really lovely space, this. Here we are in yet another bedroom, and again it's easily a double size. You've got plenty of plug sockets on the wall here, and you've got that nice little feature window in the corner there as well. Making our way down this long corridor, and we find ourselves in, lo and behold, another double bedroom. Again, plenty of plug sockets, really nice size windows at the front, letting plenty of light in, and the radiator there, not in an inconvenient position. There's a lot of thought that's gone into the placement of the radiators upstairs, so you've got plenty of wall space in this bedroom. And last but not least, upstairs, bedroom number 2. Now this is really quite a rival for the master bedroom. The only thing that it doesn't have is that dressing room, which would perhaps put it above the master bedroom, but alas, no walk-in wardrobe here. You'll have to do with putting your wardrobes and your chest of drawers against the wall. But again, you've got some lovely views out the window there. It's a lovely big space. And here we do have a really nice ensuite bathroom here. You can see that really lovely double unit shower there. It's just finished immaculately. So with this property, I'd certainly ask that you give us a call, find out a bit more information about it. It's the last one available in this development of 5 executive detached homes. It's a really wonderful gated development here, and I'd definitely ask that you give us a call so you can find out a bit more. Thank you.